J babies, this is your girl Jay and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be on a look at my thing to the side. Oh girl, I'm telling you, I've been putting this thing on all crazy all day. Okay, well anyway, today's video is going to be on a Janet collection. Yes, it's been a minute since I've worked with Janet collection and I'm super excited to get into this wig. Actually, I was sent over like 3 wigs, but well, I was sent over 3 wigs to do a lookbook, but please forgive me, Janet collection, but I want to review them one at a time if I possibly can. Maybe I should have emailed you or something, girl, but I'm so sorry. But I'm gonna do three videos, so because I want to take my time with these wigs. That's why. So inside of the packages, she gives you, hey gorgeous, thank you for taking the time to review our products. We hope that this product will make you feel and look even more beautiful. Slay, sis. Yes, slay all day. And on the back it says, you're the best. I need to keep this inside of my studio. That way I can be reminded of, yes, slay, sis. Okay, so they also send you a comb. I love it. They always send you combs or always send you like little brushes. Before they had sent me like, I can't even find it, girl. Like little brushes. They send you stuff. So I'm just super excited. So the wig I am going to be doing is, her name is Mercy. Mercy me. Okay, so she's in the number 1. It's a pre-plucked, pre-customized natural hairline. It's from the Melt collection, which is the natural hairline with extended part lace. So we have the shift. You can shift it to the right, or you can center part it, or it has natural density, or you can shift it to the left, which is a left part. So this is what this says, all of this right here. So where is, okay, we have, this is what I'm looking for, heat resistant fiber, safe up to 360. So that means that we cannot go past 360, because if we go past 360, darling, then you already know. So we have, her name is Mercy. She is really cute. I chose this wig. I like the color she have, and the color they have is 1B, 2 cinnamon, latte blonde, marigold, and sandstone. But I wanted number 1 because I'm getting into my ones now, y'all. Back again, like I used to back in the day, okay? Because I think number 1s look good on me. Of course, blonde looks good on me too, but I wanted this one. So this is what I already read to you guys, and it has instructions, everything that you need, honey. And on the back, this is what you get on the back. So she's packaged very well. Always be packaged very well. And she's kind of a short wig, which that, ooh. Girl, I'm looking at the baby hairs. All these baby hairs are sitting up in here. Okay, so let's go here on and get into the construction of this wig, or of this unit here. So, of course, this to reserve and keep everything fresh. Inside, it's constructed with a comb in the back, and it has on there the Janet collection. I have 2 combs right here, one here, one here. This is the lace that you get right here. Let's flip her over. That way you can see your lace. This is what you get, the parting right here, and it's actually lace from ear to ear. So let's go here on, and y'all don't be looking at my head like that. I have in my hair, to glue my hair down, to put my hair down, I use She Is Balm Edge Control, so it leaves like a little white cast sometimes, honey, and I've been working this scalp all day, okay? So this is baby hair that is in the front, and look at this scalp, y'all. I love it. I'm not gonna put on a cap with it. I'm just gonna try it on right now. So they say you can wear it in the middle. You can shift it to the right, or you can shift it to the left. So I'm going to put the back piece in first. And, yeah, so we talking about truly ear to ear. You see that? Ear to ear. Okay, so I like the way she looked off the back. Off the back. She is, like, super cute. My kind of wig, honey. Let me see. Do I want a middle part? I probably have to put the middle part in more. So we have, okay, it's enough lace to give me a middle part. So, oh honey, what? Oh, honey, look, when you go ahead on and part her. Okay, I can't go no further here, so I'm going to shift it this way. Yeah, she is pre-plucked too. She is nice. With the baby hairs, honey, with the baby hairs. I mean, you can pluck more if you want to up in here, but I'm not going to do a whole lot of plucking. I mean, if they say she plucked right, I'm agree with you, Danny, because she is all right for me. Maybe not for you, I don't know, but for me, she is. Okay, so I'm going to go here on and I'm going to be cutting the lace. I'm going to cut my lace while it's on my head. And the reason why is because, honey, I don't feel like taking this wig off. Some people they go ahead on and put they got to be glued on, and then they use the lace to hold it down, girl. But I'm not going to be doing anything, so I'm just going to go ahead and just cut the lace off. Okay, baby, so I am done with this hair, and this hair is just simply gorgeous. It's simply gorgeous. I love it. Her name is Mercy, and she is in a number 1. I love this. It feels really soft and natural. It feels really natural, and I like the styling that's on it. Is look at the ends. It's nice. Like I like it. I like it small at the ends because it's lightweight. This is very. I want my earrings showing. A very lightweight wig. And oh my goodness, I will have the details of this wig, where you can purchase this wig at, in the description bar. Y'all, I love it. I think I need a little bit more oil sheen right there, though. I mean, holding spray right there, because it's this part. But you can curl it, so if you need to curl it, you can curl it. But I think this is just simply gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. What y'all think? Y'all like this wig? I know it's very affordable. I tell you that much, honey. I miss my synthetic wig so much. Y'all be wearing human so much, but I'll be wearing, y'all seen I've been wearing my synthetics. So yes, this is what she looks like. This is super beautiful. Super beautiful. So this is the Mercy wig, and I got it in a number 1, which is the color. This has a cap construction, 100% hand tied with soft Swiss lace, natural density, natural deep parting space. And it says the meltdown. Definitely. What y'all think? It's the meltdown. It looks like it's melted. I'm not going to put any concealer in. Y'all, why? I mean, this looks natural to me. Do I have to have it all white in order for it to look natural, or all real light brown? No, it looks natural to me. I'm not worried about hiding no grids. I don't see anything. Okay, so thank you so much, Janet Collection, for considering me to review this wig. I am so happy that you did. And I will have more wigs for you guys that I will be reviewing soon. So remember, this is the Melt Natural Hairline with extended part lace. And I will have the links down in the description bar. That way you can be able to get your hands on these wigs that I am about to push out, honey. Okay. So, you know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah.